bro Wesley. Challenge accepted. Now for this episode, you will see a day in my life, so let's get it started. So I'm starting the day drinking water. Every day I have to practice flying a drone, so let's check the batteries of my drone if they are fully charged or if they need charging before flying a drone. I don't really eat right away because I'm not hungry right now, so let's check first the battery of the drone. So here's the battery of my drone. So it needs charging. Yeah, let's get back into these batteries. Now I'm reading comments in YouTube.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
After that, I'll play with Twinkie. 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 Guys, this is Twinkie. Aww.
Leo.
Aww.
456,000.
Aww. So that was Twinkie, guys. So I usually eat during my work hours, which is at 6 p.m. So by the way, I am using the Huawei Nova 3i to vlog this episode, so let's continue. After a 30 minutes or 30 minutes to an hour play with Twinkie, I'll be having a short nap.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world.
Now, after sleeping, it's time to practice flying the drone. Let's go! Hi guys, we are here at the Fenty Circle, so I'll be practicing my flying skills for the Mavic Air. So let's practice flying the drone.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
Oh, so we've run out of battery, so today we will be waiting for this battery to cool off before I'll transport the drone, and let's head back home. So see you at home. Oh, what's up guys, we're now at home, and yes, I was able to practice flying the drone. I do that twice a week. Now let's play a game. Okay, so let's play, guys. Okay. Yay! I won the Mobile Legend. Yeah, so it's time for me to prepare to work, so I need to rest. Okay, so bro Wesley, I already accepted the challenge. I finished it, and I'm so done with it because I'm not really very good at vlogging my daily life. So I'll be challenging Rim Elevera. If you're watching this one, I challenge you to create your own version of a day in my life. Gans, you should do it. Cut goals. I'll convince you later. And lastly, Cebu Life. Yeah, I'll expect your videos, guys. I'll need to sleep because I have work later. So peace and see you on the next one. Bye.